Hello, this is Professor Poloni. I want to address your question that you are wondering where to turn in your outline. It says when I click on the assignment, there's no submit button for you to upload your work. First question I have for you, I'm not sure what you mean when you are referring to your outline. If you are referring to the assignment that's due this week, which is the initial plan overview professional development handout, that's due the 9th. I can show you how there's several ways to access it. I'll show you how, as you can see, I am in the student view. So one way you can do it from our course is to click on assignments and scroll down, upcoming assignments. This is the initial plan overview that is due on the 9th. Click this link as it says, and you have here the instructions and even a short video tutorial if you need it that Dr. Semmingson recorded, and I kept it in because I feel it's important to give you a short tutorial if you are still unclear, and so I kept it in, even though Dr. Semmingson is the one who is the course creator. I left this in. But anyway, to submit, you scroll down and it says choose a submission type. So you can choose the text here, and in which case, if you want, you can just start copy and paste initial plan, professional development handout, and then paste your initial plan here, and then go down when you're done and click this blue button, Submit Assignment. If you wanted to upload it, you would just simply click Upload and then find the file on your computer where you want it, or it could be in Studio in Canvas, or there are even more ways if you have Microsoft Office 365, Google Apps, etc. So any one of these ways, and it should be submitted. Okay, so let me know if you have any other questions. I hope this helps.